together. Now it's been a while, things could have been better. A bond sprouts stronger when you're apart, but you just can't wait any longer to be with those close to your heart. Do you ever stare at the moon, wondering if I'm looking at it too? The twinkles come up and the sun goes down. I gaze at the stars